In this project, we will learn how to create a triangle video in Adobe PremierePro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look how to create a triangle video in Adobe PremierePro Creative Cloud. Here is some video clip in our program project manager, and I want to add this photographer video to our video track 1 bar, and I want to add this beach video to our video track 2 bar. And let me scale the video track 2 bars video. So here it's scaled with our frame size, and now I will create this 2 video in our triangle mode. So we have to use an effect for this. So let me select this effect option, and I have to type wipe, and here is the linear wipe effect. So let me add this linear wipe effect to my video track 2 bar. So I'm adding this effect to my video track 2 bar, and I'm selecting this video of video track 2 bar. Then I will get the settings for linear wipe in effect control. So this is the settings for effect of linear wipe, and now I will increase the transition level. So let's take a look in our program monitor what is happening after increasing the level. So I'm increasing the level from here. I want to increase the level till 50%, and now I have to increase the level for wipe angle, and you have to take a look on my program monitor. So I'm increasing the level of wipe angle. Here is fine. So one video of video track 2 bar is triangle, but our video of video track 1 bar, we have to scale it with our frame size. Then the video of video track 1 bar will be similar like video track 2 bar. So let me scale it with the frame size. So now you can take a look. Here is a triangle video, and let me play this video clip in our program monitor. So let me play it from my program monitor, and you can take a look. Both video are playing at once. So this is how you will create a triangle video in Adobe PremierePro Creative Cloud. So let me do one thing, that I want to create a border between these 2 clips that will look more attractive. So let's take a look how to add a border in between these 2 clips. To create a border, you have to select the legacy title from your file menu and the new, and then here is the legacy title. So you can write any name. So I'm putting this title 2 name, and here is the view. You can select any line tool from here, and let's draw a line from here. So it's fine, and it seems the line is so much thin, so I want to increase line width, and here is the option. So let me increase a line width, and you can take a look in here, and I want to change the color. And if you want to change the line color, then you can select the color option, and here is the color picker. You can choose any color. So let me select yellow color. So I'm selecting yellow color, and now it's look good. So our legacy title is here, but that's not added the line in here. So let me add the legacy title to our video track 2 bar, and let me set the video track 2 bar with the equal length, and now it seems good. So let me play this video clip. So I'm playing from my program monitor, and you can take a look. Both video are playing, and here is the bar for dividing these two video clips. So this is how you will create a triangle video, and you will add a bar in between this video in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.